How to log in into the FedEx Workday account. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to log in into your FedEx Workday account, here is how you can do it. First and foremost, open any of your preferred browser and search for the FedEx Workday login page. You can also go to workday.fedex.com directly and press enter. This way, you should land to the login portal for the FedEx Workday. This requires you to provide the username and password that is given by the Workday. Then you can tap on login button to get logged in into your account. However, if you have forgotten your password, there is a way by which you can reset it as well. Likewise, ensure that your credentials are correct to avoid the login errors. For further assistance, you can also consider contacting the FedEx Workday support or your HR department. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.